Hey everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the Belkin Boost Charge Pro MagSafe 2-in-1 wireless charger. I bought this on Amazon.com. This was retailed around $120. So I bought this product a couple of days ago and today it just arrived in the mail. So let's go ahead and unbox in this video. So before we unbox it, let's just take a look around. So Boost Charge Pro 2-in-1 wireless charger stand with MagSafe. So this has fast wireless charging up to 15 watts. And it mentions it charges both iPhone and AirPods. And that's the side view of the wireless charger. And on this side, it just says better with Belkin. And on the back gives you some information about the wireless charger. So we have this little tape here. So let's go ahead and cut this tape. So first we have the Belkin wireless charger warranty and information, and we have the power adapter to charge the wireless charger. So inside we have instructions on how to connect the charger and some more information on the back. A little disclaimer with this product: you can't use the Apple Watch to charge the device. You can only use the iPhone for the top bits or the AirPods, and on the bottom you can use the AirPods, and I believe you can also use another wireless charging phone, which we will test in this video. So here is the wireless charger, and the base of the charger is a plastic finish, doesn't have that matte finish, and we have this metal pole which on top attaches the large wireless charger pad, and this wireless charger pad has a matte white finish to it. And just taking a look around, so we have this little pad here for the AirPods, and this is the bottom. So we have 4 rubber feet, and this is where you will insert the charger. So we're going to quickly connect the charger in. So all we have to do is just angle it like this, and it seems to be on this side. So there it is. So I've got my AirPods here, so let's lay it on the base of the charger, and you hear that little tone. So the AirPods is charging, and let's connect the iPhone. You can hear that tone, so it is charging like that. So I'll take the AirPods off, but you can see the charger magnetically attached to the iPhone. So there's that. Now let's reverse the process. So let's place the AirPods on the charging pad on top, and it still charges because it has magnets in the AirPods which attaches to the MagSafe part of the iPhone. And let's try if we can do it on the base, and you can hear that tone. So it looks like it is charging the, you can charge the iPhone on the base of the wireless charger as well. So here's just a quick comparison between the 2-in-1 versus the 3-in-1. The 3-in-1 is a lot heavier because it has more metal construction built in. So the wireless pads are very similar in shape, and the base is different. This has a matte finish to it, whereas this one is just a plastic finish. So, but other than that, without the Apple Watch wireless pad, it's essentially the same thing. Like, they both can charge up to 15 watts. That's the back. So they use the same proprietary connector to connect the wireless charger. So you can interchange the chargers between these two. And that's just the back view. So that's just a quick unboxing and first look at the Belkin 2-in-1 wireless fast charger. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.